My name is Matt Millard, and I'm a lifestyle and financial planner and the Managing Director of Rock Wealth Cardiff. Financial planning is an interactive, two-way process of getting a detailed, rich understanding of your life, goals and objectives, and building a plan to make them achievable. I truly believe proper financial planning will add value to you and your family, both in the short term, but crucially for later in life. For example, you have existing pensions and investments and get confusing statements each year, full of numbers and lists of what has been bought and sold. You may have a plan in mind of when you'd like to retire because you can't see yourself working in the same job until you're 60 or 65. Or perhaps you might have a business and have an idea of what you'd like to sell it for to retire comfortably. These are just a few of the scenarios my clients present to me when we first meet. My role as a financial planner is to help you understand exactly what you've already got, where you are currently, and where you'd like to be in the future. We will spend time at the outset to identify exactly what your goals and aspirations are in life. This might be retiring early, going on that dream holiday, or helping your children with wedding costs. It really doesn't matter what they are. What matters, and the really important thing, is that they are your goals. It's the things that will add value to your life. Once we have identified these, and by working together closely, we can then build a detailed and personalised financial plan. This will give you real clarity to know that everything you've planned for, everything that's important to you, is both achievable and affordable. Importantly though, this is a long-term process and is constantly reviewed and updated over time as your circumstances change. The benefit being you completely understand the path you're on and whether or not you're on track to achieve these goals. Clients tell me this financial planning process gives them a lot of comfort and security. My passion is helping people achieve their goals and aspirations and lead the lives they want.